What if I told you that the most significant leap in military reconnaissance and modern warfare was sparked not by armies on the battlefield, but by a humble, unmanned machine flying silently through the sky? Let me take you on an extraordinary journey through the invention, legacy, and future of the MQ-1B Predator. The origin of an idea, from science fiction to reality. For centuries, humans have dreamed of harnessing technology to explore the skies without ever leaving the ground. The concept of unmanned aerial vehicles, UAVs, or drones is not new. It has roots in science fiction and the early 20th century. But the story of the MQ-1B Predator begins in earnest in the 1980s when a visionary engineer named Abraham Karam dared to reimagine the possibilities of remote-controlled flight. Karam, an Israeli engineer who immigrated to the United States, believed the future of aviation lay in creating a machine that could fly autonomously for long periods. Dubbed the father of the drone, Karam initially worked from his garage, crafting prototypes with minimal resources. His early designs caught the attention of the Defense Advanced Research Projects Agency, DARPA, and eventually led to the development of the Predator's predecessor, the GNAT 750. The GNAT 750 was a game changer. A small, lightweight, and highly efficient UAV capable of staying aloft for extended periods. This breakthrough set the stage for what would become the MQ-1 Predator aircraft designed for surveillance and reconnaissance missions. The Predator's development marked a turning point in military history, bridging the gap between manned aircraft and robotics. Crafting the Predator, the birth of an icon. The MQ-1 Predator was officially developed in the mid-1990s by General Atomics Aeronautical Systems, Inc., GAASI. Building on Karam's innovations, the Predator was designed with cutting-edge technology, including a modular airframe. Its sleek aerodynamic design allowed for extended flight times of up to 24 hours. Satellite communication, SATCOM. This feature enabled operators thousands of miles away to control the drone in real time. High-resolution cameras. Equipped with infrared and daytime TV cameras, the Predator could capture detailed imagery even in adverse conditions. A quiet engine. The Predator's low acoustic signature made it difficult to detect, an essential feature for covert operations. First deployed in 1995, the MQ-1 Predator quickly demonstrated its value. In the Balkans, it provided live surveillance of conflict zones, offering military planners an unprecedented view of the battlefield. The Predator was initially designed solely for reconnaissance, not for combat. However, its capabilities evolved to include carrying Hellfire missiles, making it a lethal force in modern warfare. And eye in the sky, the Predator's camera system could track targets from miles away, even in complete darkness. The Predator has been featured in numerous films, TV shows, and documentaries, symbolizing the rise of drone warfare. Endurance record. With a flight endurance of over 24 hours, the Predator set the standard for UAVs in long-duration missions. The Predator's impact. A new era of warfare. The MQ-1 Predator is credited with revolutionizing modern military operations. Before its advent, reconnaissance missions relied on manned aircraft or satellites, both of which had limitations. The Predator offered 1. Persistent surveillance. Its ability to loiter over a target area for hours provided unparalleled situational awareness. 2. Reduced risk to human life. Pilots operated the Predator remotely, eliminating the dangers of flying over hostile territory. 3. Precision strikes. Armed with Hellfire missiles, the Predator could engage targets with pinpoint accuracy while minimizing collateral damage. The Predator's effectiveness was on full display during the War on Terror. From tracking high-value targets like Osama bin Laden to providing real-time intelligence during operations in Iraq and Afghanistan, it became an indispensable tool for the U.S. military. In 2018, the U.S. Air Force announced it was retiring the MQ-1 Predator in favor of its successor, the MQ-9 Reaper. The Reaper boasts improved capabilities, including higher speed, increased payload, and advanced sensors. However, the Predator's legacy endures. Many nations, including Italy and Turkey, continue to use the MQ-1 for surveillance and counterterrorism missions. Interestingly, the rise of commercial drones has brought the Predator's technology into the civilian sphere. From disaster relief to wildlife monitoring, UAVs inspired by the Predator are making a difference far beyond the battlefield. While the MQ-1 Predator may no longer dominate the skies, its influence continues to shape the future of UAVs. Here are some exciting developments on the horizon. 1. Artificial intelligence, AI. The integration of AI could enable drones to make autonomous decisions, reducing the need for human operators. 2. Swarm technology. Researchers are exploring the potential of deploying multiple drones that work collaboratively, mimicking the behavior of insect swarms. 3. Hypersonic drones. Capable of reaching speeds exceeding Mach 5, these next-generation UAVs could revolutionize reconnaissance and strike missions. 4. Civilian applications. From package delivery to agricultural monitoring, drones are poised to transform industries worldwide. The MQ-1 Predator is more than just a machine. It represents a turning point in the history of aviation and warfare. Its invention was a testament to human ingenuity, and its impact continues to resonate across the globe. As we look to the future, one thing is clear. The Predator's legacy will live on, inspiring the next generation of innovation in the skies. So the next time you see a drone flying overhead, remember the Predator, a marvel of engineering that changed the world forever.